Hello YouTube, this is Joann from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today to say hello, how you guys doing, and to show a quick little share from Tuesday morning and Joann's. So Tuesday morning I went in there trying to gave my blender to my daughters. I'm trying to make smoothies because we're trying to be very healthy doing this thing and keeping our immune system up. So I was trying to go find a blender because they're a lot cheaper, and I got a really good deal last year on my blender, which I ended up blessing my daughter with it. But I was looking for one for me. But while I was in there, I did pick up some more fat quarters that I can use to make some masks, and they of course were $7.99, and there's 6 pieces. So I wanted something a little bit, you know, I mean, they didn't have any great things. I could have just probably went to Joann's online, but I was ordering online. There's just so much online that I look at materials not the same as in person. But anyway, so they did have these quarters, so I can still use these to push come to shove to make some extra stuff out of, you know, just having some extra stuff to do flowers, but also you can make masks. While I was in there, I got another one of these cinch wire nose wire clippers. I do have a pair, and I do have some Dollar Tree ones. But I don't know where mine at, and I don't know if I loaned them to somebody, but I was trying to find it, so I picked it up. This I know I don't have. This is the little tree and the little accessories. So you have a 19-piece set. So it's actually a 3-piece die and then 16-piece stamp set, because you've got the tree and the foliage and then a bird, and then over here you got the bird and the fence and the birdhouse and clouds and grass and all this other stuff. So, and the thing I like about these little miniatures, these are great on the ATC or an iCAD, so index card. So you can use that on those as well. And I picked this up, but I think I have this. I don't know when I pick it up, but I did pick it up. So that's it. And of course, they don't have any new trucks in there waiting because we don't know if Tuesday morning is going to make. I hope they don't fire. I mean, I hope they don't go under. It's been nice not shopping in some respects, saving money, but you know, I still miss them as my spot. So I did order some stuff online. I was watching you see why I'm a Diva channel, and she had showed these stamps, and I was like, oh, they're too cute. They are $14.99, but I got them on sale online. They were online for like $7.99, so I got them. So this is now they're in my store. But anyway, this is, well, it might have been, I don't know how long it's been in my store because I hadn't been enjoying it in a couple of months. So anyway, but I got them offline. But anyway, so, and they shipped them to my house. So I got these dies and this stamp set. So it says, thanks for sticking by my side. I'm stuck on you. Friends stick together. So they have the tape and the glue and the hot glue gun, and they have the little dies that go along with it too. I just thought it was super cute, and I'm just thinking about making some 3x3 or 4x4 note cards for that. This one says, friends are the best friends. Crafty friends are the best friends, excuse me. When life gives you hands, make handmade. That's right? You are my inspiration. I made this for you. Do what you love. Stay crafty. So I get all of those sentiments we can use in so many different things. And then this one says, live, love, craft. Craft like a boss. Amen. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. Hello. Keep calm, craft on. Happiness is handmade. Creativity is messy. Amen. I need to blow that up, put it on my wall. Justification for my craft room getting out of hand sometimes. But anyway, they have hands doing different things, like with a paintbrush, pulling out some washi tape, scissors, another paintbrush, and I'm not sure what that is in her hand, or she's wiping something or whatever, but you can, you know, ink spot. So I thought it was really cute. And then I debated on this one, but I got it. But this is just like a nice background that you can use to stamp on anything, on a card front, art journal, anything that, you know, you can paint it, color it, whatever. So I just thought this would be a great background stamp to just use to add some depth to your project, whether it be a card, tag, art journal layout, you know, whatever like that. So got those. I had a 60% coupon on this And this is a Hero Florals. And again, and these are also polymer stamps, which I love the smell of polymer. I know, weird, but I love that smell. These right here, I love these little sentiments because you can put them on little tags, you can put them on ATC, and you can put them on any of those little, like, you know how we have different dies that you can cut out with little small sentimental punches. These will go great on that because they're little teeny miniature sayings. So that's why I got this set. And again, I got it for 60% off. So I paid like $2.30, I think it was, or $3.30, something like that. But anyway, and it was like $8. So it says, hello, love you, you shine, dream big, you inspire me, what's up, XOXO, hot stuff, kisses, hugs, you're the best, you're awesome, you make me smile, I like you, wow, you're magic, you're a smart cookie, sweetie, I miss you, happy birthday, hey there, cutie, you amaze me, you rock, thanks for being you, I like your style, have a nice day, you're a great friend, and peekaboo. So I just thought they were like cute little sentiments that you can put on little teeny miniature tags, because I have a project that with my little punch, or any of my little banner punches and stuff. I think these sentiments will fit nicely. Oh, and I forgot I picked this up at Tuesday morning, which I have to double check because I don't know if I got it when I got the Downton Abbey one. And again, this is nothing new. This is just the hat, the Victorian collection. And I can't remember if I got that or not. I don't think I did. But anyway, and then they had these on clearance. So I didn't know they was getting rid of all the Park Lane. Like I said, I have not been in a Joann's in a long time, but all the Park Lane and Boston photos are all gone. So I guess they didn't do well. Maybe because the price was a little high. I don't know. But you know they got to make them $6 so they can put them on sale. So I don't know. But anyway, these was on clearance at the back of the store. And so I think they were $2. The big ones were $3, I think. And then the rest, I think, were $2. I think, or $2.97. I know these were $2.97. I think. I don't know if these are the same or not, but anyway. So this one didn't need any more Boston photos, but I did only because it was on clearance at Tempting Me. I should have got it. The musical notes. You all my sunshine. And these are 3 in Boston folders. Celebrate, some banners, and the balloons. I want similar to that. I gotta look at it and see if I'm gonna keep that or get that away. And then these were the 5x7. So I just thought the fun polka dot and then the nice chevron shape, or diamonds actually. But anyway, that is my haul from Tuesday morning and from Joann. So it was really nice to see Joann had a whole new collection of stamps. Like I said, I have not been in there in ages, and even before the shutdown, even though everything's open now, but at least for us, it's back open. I hadn't seen it. Well, I mean, it's always been open, but I mean, like, you know, officially, like, back open. I hadn't seen anything. I just hadn't been over there in a long time, so I didn't know, like, the only thing that was left the Park Lane was the paper and the tags, but all the other stuff, they were gone, so I didn't know. They was getting rid of that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.